Hi, this is part 2 of my 2 laptop. Alright, so we're like getting all the stuff. Alright, the stuff are in here. Oh! Oh, wow! Oh, cool! Oh! What is this? A battery? A battery, okay. That's what it says. That one's a mini. So, gotta turn this baby around. I wonder which way to put this. Okay, looks like we put it this way. Looks like we put it this way. Ooh! We're gonna lock this. Lock the battery. Something. Unlock. Lock. So I think that means like you can't pull it out anymore. Okay, I can't. But we can unlock. Alright, looks like we can pull it out. But we're not gonna pull it out. We're gonna leave it. Making something. Hello. Number 3. Charge it. Okay, let's go charge. I was just opening. Okay. Okay, now let's go charge. Now we're gonna go charge it. Just wait a moment. Gonna go charge. Gonna go charge. Just store in my box or something. First of all, I'm gonna open this. Okay. Oh wow! Oh, the aroma smell. Oh, things pretty. Oh yeah, we got it. Looks like we gotta keep this thing on. Something to keep it on. I might have to make a part 3. This looks pretty intense. Yes, Mom. Jeez. I'm tired when she says that. She was like, stay making these. And you waste the battery. And I was like, God, I'm not gonna waste it. I told you. I told her in the car that this was my cousin, the game tart, wants to chat with me. So that's one reason. And the other reason, yeah, homework. Goddamn homework. I hate it when you have to like put this. There. See ya in part 3. Right now, I'm gonna charge it. See ya. Maybe this is the end of the video. Nah, part 3, we're gonna open that case thing. So see ya, whatever.